I'm Bastion, and I'm here to play with my mummy's makeup. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing for you. Yay! This is one that I've only really seen a couple YouTubers do consistently over and over and over again. And it's called Medusa's makeup box. Comes in this really cute packaging. They change it up from month to month. This is the first time I've gotten it, but I have been watching the unboxings for this particular subscription box for quite a long time now, and I've just finally decided to bite the bullet and get it myself because I thought that the products looked very unique and interesting. Now, this is this company's own makeup line, so the products mostly that they put in here are products that they sell on their website, and they are cruelty-free and vegan, which I know is important to a lot of you. So I'm sure that makes it a lot more interesting to some of you, and you're like, ooh, a cruelty-free makeup box, exciting. It retails for $16.99, and I do believe there is 4 to 5 items in here. So I am going to open it up for you. This is the November 2019 box. I know it's December, but because of when I signed up, I'll be getting shit late. So we're gonna open it up for you anyway. All right. So when you open it up here, this is what it looks like. That's just a receipt. We don't need that. And this is a little card that says, Lovebird. Are you a lovebirdie? Don't know. Let's see. It says, Lovebird, 100% cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free beauty. Real beauty is to be true to oneself. That's nice, I guess. Hello, nice to meet you from the Lovebird team. So it looks like there is one item in here that is from a sister company. And this little card here just shows all the items that are in the box. We'll get to that in a minute. This is what the rest of the box looks like. It's got this tissue paper in here. And then when you open it up, we have the products. So let's see what products we got. This first item in here that's all wrapped up here. Ooh, it's a little oily and sticky. Blah, blah, blah. Let me get a makeup wipe here and wipe this off. It is an oil, so I guess that makes sense. Let's see what it says. This is from the Lovebird company where we got that little card. It says, Lovebird Hippy Dippy Facial Serum Uplifting. And when you open it up, oh, it smells hippy dippy. It smells, it smells like straight up patchouli. Unless you really, really love the smell of patchouli, I don't recommend putting this all over your face. Maybe more as like a neck serum where you can kind of just dip it here. Can you smell it over there? It's really strong. I mean, it smells good. It's just really, really strong. And if you're someone that's really, really sensitive to scents, this might make you gag a little bit. I mean, it smells good. It's just a little overpowering. Making my nose run. Okay. Let's see what else is in the box. We got Medusa's Makeup Eye Dust in the shade Frosting. It's very nice. It comes in a little tiny container. And it says that it doesn't have the... It says that that is a retail value of $8. The facial serum actually had a retail of $20. This has a retail value of $8. and I'll swatch this for you. I've been excited to try their eye dust. They just look so pretty. I saw a green on one of those videos and it just looked amazing, and I was so jealous that I didn't have it. Now, it's got one of these little topper stickers that are borderline impossible to get off, and I am finding it quite difficult to get off. Oh boy, I got dust everywhere. I don't think that was the way I was supposed to get it open, but that is the way I got it open. Ipsy. Well, okay, let's see if I can get some of that back in there.
That's what she said.
That is what she said. Okay, let's swatch this for you. Can you see that at all? No, it's really, really pretty, but it really is very, very light, and it's very, very iridescent, so it would make a really nice topper shade to kind of airbrush out another shade. But by itself, it's not really going to do much for you unless you have very dark skin, which I obviously do not. It's very pretty, but it's not something that I would be... I mean, maybe you can use it for a highlighter too. I don't know. That's not what it's supposed to be, but that's one option, I suppose. I got this everywhere. We got 2 more items in the box. We have another item from Medusa's makeup called a lip and cheek stain. My cheeks are already covered in so much blush, and it's because I just did a makeup look right before I filmed this. So you can check out that. Video. Also, it's called Back from the Dead with the Smashbox Art, Love, and Color Masterclass. The next item that we have is also from Medusa's makeup, and it is a lip and cheek stain. The back of the product looks like this. And the front of the product looks like this. It's got a very pretty rose. It smells kind of like strawberries. And I'm going to stick my fingers in it. That's what she said. And it doesn't really have a lot of color. Can you see that on my middle finger? It does have a little bit. It seems more like a lip gloss to me than a cheek stain, but I'll swatch it. Oh, I got a little too... It's very, very subtle, so this would really only work if you really, really like a subtle blush. And as you can see from my cheeks, I go a little crazy sometimes. Tastes like Vaseline. All right, there is one more item in the box. It is an Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the shade Disco Queen. I'm actually really excited to check this out. I'm actually going to put this on top of my poppin' red lips to see how it looks. This is also from Medusa's makeup, by the way. Oh, that cheek stain, by the way, the cheek stain is valued at $10. So they sell this on their website for $10. This lip gloss is $11.95. And it looks like this in the bottle. It's got a pretty standard doe foot applicator. I'm going to swatch that for you. Ooh, that is really, really sparkly. You see that? And let's put this on. It smells delicious. It smells like cupcakes and all sorts of other goodness. This is quite beautiful. Maybe we can get a zoom in there. It really kind of transformed the rest of the lipstick. It really kind of made it a lot glossier, and the glitter is there, but it's not overpowering. It's not too much. It's very, very pretty. And it's not terribly sticky. I'm usually not a fan of lip glosses for that reason, because I have really long hair, and when I wear it down, it gets stuck in my lips. I'm just like all day, and it's a nightmare. I can't stand them. So I normally just go with matte lips because I really just can't stand the stickiness. It drives me nuts. And that is all she wrote for the box. So again, the total value is supposed to be $49.95. I'm not going to do all the math, but you can if you want to. This is $11.95, $10, $20, and the eyeshadow is $8. That sounds about right. And that's all she wrote from the Medusa's box. Tell me, what do you think? Is it worth it? Let's see, $16.99. For the products that I got that I'm actually going to use for me this month, I wouldn't say that it was really worth it. I've seen other months where I'd be like, oh, heck yeah, that was worth it. The only thing I'm really probably going to use is the lip gloss, and I'm like probably only really going to use that once in a blue moon. The eyeshadow I may use, but just because it's a single eyeshadow and I have so many shades that are just like this, I may not reach for it, especially with how messy it is. I got that everywhere. I wish you could see this. I am like one big giant pink sparkle. It's crazy. So I don't know, you tell me. This is cool, but I mean, I don't feel like choking everybody all day. It's really strong. Like, it's got a really, really strong smell to it. Is the value there? Yeah, if you use all the items. I've seen other boxes where I would probably use every single item in the box. That's what you get with a mystery box, right? So what do you think? Leave your comments down below. Should I keep getting this box? Should I unsubscribe? I want to hear what you guys think. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next time.